Hello. This is my cardboard vending machine. What you do, this is how it works. So, first let's explain the features. So, you got little buttons there. You got Red Bull, Broms's Fruit Shoot, Coke Zero, Diet Coke, Mountain Dew, and Coca-Cola. You can either put a coin in or some cash. And also, behind here it tells you where to put what kind of things it takes. So, hang on a second to do more. I'll turn the front light on.
Careful, mate.
I am being careful. There we go.
Careful.
Okay, now we've got more light in here. Now we can carry on. So, yeah, this is actually it now. So, oh yeah, I might have forgot you could put some cash in there as well. So what you do?
Do you want to get me a drink out, Jack?
Okay. Well, this is my dad.
Hello. There you go. If you want to put that money in and get me a can of Coke out.
Okay. So my dad wants to get him a Coke Zero. So, because there's some Coke Zero in there at the moment. So what I do is I put the money in. Should I put all the money in, Dad?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, all you do, yeah. There you go. Oh, that's a bit stuck. There you go. Do that. And then you can do that. Okay, I've put all the money in. Then you can say, alright. You can say, I want a Coke Zero for my dad. And then you've got this little flap here. And then, might not be able to see, but here is the Coke. There we go. There you go, Dad.
Thank you, Jack.
So, yeah, that's how it works. This is Jack ALFORD signing off.